All right, back. Here we are with Thursdays again. They've dried. Like I said, I used this severe renovator on them. They dried overnight. I put another thin coat on them. So I'm going to buff them out. And as my dad said, just kiss them with the brush. Just kiss them. All right, there we go. They're all conditioned. Well, this one is. And then usually after I condition them like that, I take a little cotton and I just give them a little something like this. Just a little something. A little something. Bring out a little more shine on them again. I'm that guy, when I wear stuff, I like to look good. I like to be crispy. Remember how I push that down? I get up under there too. All that. I like to look a little crispy crisp. Krispy Kreme. That's that, man. There you go. That's that. Bang. That Eddie Kane, 5 heartbeats. Bang. So, yeah, I rock these, man, like this the whole summer and probably spring, late spring, all the way through the summer. Fall, I don't wear the loafer. I go to the boot. But there we go. Something right there. That's it. Thursday Lincoln. With some yay. All right.